Danke bafowethu, so siyambona umfana omusha laphana ku-Orlando Pirates uSimphiwe Slepe ukuthi uza kahle kakhulu. Umfana simbonile adlala laphana igame against i-Golden Arrows, bamfakile I think second half, wenze kahle kakhulu, good passes, u-confident, uthanda ibhola libe sey'nyaweni isikhathi eside, akasabi lutho nje umfana. Ushaye i-assist yomhlaba laphana, unfortunately uShanda akakwazanga ulivalela phakathi-ke. Abantu bakhomentileke ngomfana, abanye bathi ubakhumbuza uVieira Masalesa, yabo. Abanye bathi umfana une-big heart already, akathuki, ukwazi ukurida igame kahle kakhulu. Maningi ama-comment bayamncoma umfana. I think he's very stable inside the field of play, yabo. Uzodlala kahle kakhulu. Abanye bamkhompera no Sergio Busquets walaphana eSpain, umuntu bedlalela iBarcelona for a very long time. Bathi maka-receive ibhola melibamba useyazi ukuthi uzolidlala kuphi kubani, yabo. Udlala ngama-1 touches 2 touches nje kuphela. Kuthiwa abaningi bathi they can't wait ukumbona edlala nombatha. Abanye bakakhuluma la bathi une-skill kahle umfana, on the ball is very calm and collected. Bathi ucishe afane noDlamini, uyi-good passer of the ball. Omunye uthi umkhumbuza uThapelo, uthi ama-areas of improvement ucabanga ukuthi kumele asebenze ku-physique ne-defensive style yakhe, yabo. Uthi uleka ama-defensive qualities, nanokuthi-ke lokho ngeke umstophe ukuthi abe one of the best from achieving his goals. Kusho ukuthi umfana ucalm on the ball, kusho ukuthi urelaxe kakhulu, kumele nje improve maybe speed nale way adefenda ngakhona, because as i-defender kumele akwazi uku-tracker back. But-ke sonke siyalibona ithalente lomfana ukuthi ayimuhle kakhulu umfana ey'nyaweni, yabona umsebenzi wakhe uyancomeka. I think izoba ne-big career ngempela, yabo. So yeah, good promotion for me Orlando Pirates. I think i-DDC team Orlando Pirates is very good. If abawapromotanga ama-players angaka, ngabe Orlando Pirates maybe bene-chance ukuthi igijimise league, but-ke bapromotha ama-player amaningi for the past 2 years, yabo. But it's a good thing nanokuthi ama-players afana nabo Slepe bayayithola opportunity, because if maybe bokuwomunye ucoach, ngabe nje ucoach ubhilivela ukudlalisa mhlawumbe ama-player ane-experience, yabo. Into engiyithandayo nami ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi bayabhilivela kuma-youngsters, bayawapromotha futhi bayawanika isikhathi sokuthi akhule. I think kumele sikhumbule bafowethu ubani uJoseph Makhanya, lona wenze ibukwayo laphana ku-DDC. Obviously uhlangene ne-technical team lapha ukukhuphula ama-players amaningi lawo enza kahle, yabona akwazi ukwa-connecta ne-team, ne-first team. uShandu nangomunye acomment uthi uShandu uweste iphasi elihle kakhulu, kumele ngabe ukorile uShandu izolo, umfana athole i-assist yakhe. Sebayamncoma kakhulu abantu, bathi what a good player, bathi umfana uyakude kakhulu. Omunye okhala ngokuthi i-concern yakhe uJose Rivero uyahamba, uye umuntu obhilivela vele kuma-youngsters. Uthi-ke amanye ama-coach mhlawumbe azofika ku-Orlando Pirates awabhiliveli kuma-youngsters, kulapho ama-youngsters azozithola khona senkingeni ukuthi angadlali, yabo. So I think khona omunye ucomment, amanye amajita akhuluma ngendlela e-right, uthi kumele asebenze nge-timing yakhe, mezobheka or ezophasa ibhola, abheke ibhola rotation, nanokuthi ahloniphe iposition yakhe, akwazi ngempela ukugcina iposition yakhe, nanokuthi azikhumbule njalo ukuthi ukuphi. But-ke yena uyalazi ibhola ey'nyaweni, uyalazi ngempela ibhola ey'nyaweni. Ungenile umfana wa-change igame, basho kanjalo abanye abantu. Omunye uthi akekho surprise ukuthi Orlando Pirates inama-youngsters. Kuyaziwa vele Orlando Pirates ukuthi yiyo evulela abafana abancane amathuba ukuthi babe ama-superstars ngempela, yabona. So yeah, I think it's very good ukuthi Orlando Pirates is promote ama-players angaka amaningi, but une-future e-good ngoba umfana u-comfortable on the ball. But nayo enye into bafowethu, I think enye into ekumele siyi-highlight la ukuthi singa-praise ama-young players kakhulu, because aba-big headed nabo awa-understand. Asafika nokufika umfana jikijiki sedume i-country yonke, uba yi-superstar, and then all of a sudden i-performance yakhe ya-change, nanokuthi ezinye izinto ziyam-affecta outside the field of play. So kumele sikwazi ukubhalansa both sides, yabo. Sazi ukuthi okay, siyamncoma umfana ukumncoma, but at the end of the day kumele sazi ukuthi umfana still kumele a-improve, asebenze kanzima. Hayi ukuthi ngoba sefikile ku-first team sekafikile ngempela sokuwuye no, kusamele asebenze kanzima iminyaka ukuthi aziprove ku-professional footballer. But sonke siyabona ukuthi uza kahle ngempela, yabona. Enye i-comment la ngibona kuthiwa umfana ugood but akekho matured enough noma akakavuthwa kahle ukuthi abe adlale i-defensive midfielder but-ke angakwazi ukudlala i-central ngoba uyakwazi ukuskena ama-player and then nanokuthi uba ku-good position and decision making yakhe good. Umfana urelaxile noma i-composure yakhe on the ball i-good. Kuthiwa nje kumele azame ukufunda kumbatha noKabelo Dlamini ukuthi urola kanjani nanokuthi i-forward pass uzoyishaya kanjani yabo. So abanye bavele bathi uyi-complete player. So asimnikeni isikhathi umfana ukuthi adevelope vele angene kumojo yakhe right, and then isikhathi masiya ngokuya uzoba right, uzoshapeka ngempela umfana abe right. I think it's gonna be developed to a world class if simnika isikhathi ngempela ukuthi singampraise kakhulu. But-ke ama-signs we-good player sonke siyawabona yabo, is showing good signs of a good player. Is giving it would give Orlando Pirates so much. I wish-ke nalaba abazayo o-coach or no-coach ozayo bazokwazi ukunika ama-youngsters opportunity nanokuthi sometimes uma unama-youngsters kumele wanike isikhathi sokuthi akhule enze amaphutha and then they learn from those mistakes and then bakhula lapho yabo. Umfana usafika sedlale 2 games in fact, akakadlali ne-90 minutes eyodwa but already sesiyamhype, but it's very good ukuthi siyamhype because siyayibona i-potential. Akakabi comfortable ku-professional setup but uzofika, ngiyamthemba ngempela umfana, kuyabonakala ukuthi it's very good man. Uyabona ibhola kumele ulazi ey'nyaweni, once walazi ey'nyaweni okunye-ke sowungakufunda, uyakwazi ukulicontrola basic simple. Uyabona ukuthi ubuya kuma-development structures, uyi-good passer of the ball, uyambona umfana ugood lapho. I think kwamanye kumele abe more comfortable in terms of like ukusiza i-team going back nanokuthi angasabi because kwesinye isikhathi ngibona ngathi ucasha emuva kwamanye ama-player but yena uza kahle impela umfana. Cabanga second game e-professional but he was more comfortable. Mase se-relaxe ngempela seyijwayele i-PSL uzodominate ngempela umfana. So ngimfisela inhlanhla umfana omncane going forward ukuthi a-improve nanokuthi adlale kahle kakhulu. Mina nje kuye umfana ngibona i-superstar yabo, ngibona igolide nkosi yami abalithatha emayini but abakalishayinisi kahle noma abakalipholishi but uzofika kuleyo level leyo, ngiyabhiliva kumfana because it takes bit of time ukuthi umuntu afike ku-level e-right but uza kahle ngempela. Danko bafowethu.